Ben Davidson, suspicious observer, discovered that humans can sense magnetic fields. I thought it was pretty telling. Uh, maybe he's going to begin telling truth. I don't know. We'll ask him here. Hey, Ben, gonna start telling people the truth, saving some lives. He even goes on with a brain map. 3D. I bet Lee loves this. This is Lee's hero here. How many times did Lee said that we can't feel magnetic fields? How many times he did again this morning? 11 posts in one day calling me names and shit. We'll get to that in a minute. Let's see what Ben found.
Sense was pretty genius. Many, if not most, humans have a 3D mind map where things are and where they get there,
Patches is excited.
where they're going and how to get back. We can tell if we are facing a similar direction as something else, but these may not be so solid during the zenith of a disaster. The reliance on Earth's magnetic field isn't quite as critical to humans as it is to...
But we can tell if we're facing a certain way and this and that and other thing. You can feel the magnet field subconsciously and consciously. If you bring something from your subconscious, it's in your consciousness. You can feel it. Maybe not some people because they're not human beings.
Bird navigation, fish finding reproductive zones, mammalian foraging patterns. But it's possible that our inner compass, that many of us seem to have, will be significantly affected when Earth's field has its pole shift and continued weakening.
Ben, pole shift, small shift, man. The axis is shifting. The whole axis shifted. We've shown lots of magnets influencing this planet. There's a reason for it to happen. It isn't just happening mysteriously, dude. Now, NASA's saying that the Earth's axis shifted in the 90s because we're going through climate change, groundwater account for this and that and everything. It's saying Earth's axis shifted. If Earth's axis shifted, there is no way in hell the moon is doing the things it's done for eons. It also shifted. By all rights, the only result in the world is the moon is not doing what it used to because the axis of the Earth shifted. It says the moon is still not cartwheeling. Although this guy's been watching it for years, Lee literally says it is normal to change its perspective as it travels from east to west. You lay on your back. It will not roll. It's normal. Never has a helmsman or navigator laid on their back to look at the moon. That moon has been our guidance up and down this planet for centuries. And Lee is purposely misleading people to their death. So I put out the video about that yesterday about this. The axis shifted. Well, there's 11 fucking posts in one day calling me names, narcissist, horrible names, and threatening my channel. He's threatening my fucking channel. Again, he's like, yeah, his second channel will be down. I'm like, you don't like it when someone else is right and proves you wrong, do you, Lee? The moon is doing a cartwheel. It shouldn't be. You're telling people it isn't, and then it's normal that you got to lay down on your back to alter the way the moon looks. That's not right, dude. What is it? Pride? Seriously, because you sit here and say God showed me how all energy travels. No, he did not. He the fuck didn't, dude. Obviously. And you're sitting here poo-pooing the famine and everything for 2 years when you could have been warning people. You're sitting here poo-pooing the magnet. Your hero just proved that magnet fields, humans can feel them, and we navigate with them. Maybe you don't. I'm not so sure you're a human because you're pretty murderous. You're pretty hateful and very spiteful. You want to do away with anything that's right because you're right. So says God, right? That's all you got. That's all you got. You don't have any education to back it up. You had a dream. Jesus, dude. Now, see, the difference is I was trained in heavy electronics, dude, in the Navy. You weren't. Okay? I know energy flow. I've worked on the systems. I know how they work. Professor Dave here He's professor of physics. He also knows there's got to be three fucking waves in creation, dude, to make your DNA. It has to happen like that. You know, there's people in the world that study things. You got a crack-induced dream and think God showed you something. God showed you something wrong, dude. Or maybe better yet, Lee, your little fucking peon mind couldn't understand what you were looking at. But this reminds me of the way Christianity spread. Oh, look, there's truth. Let's fucking kill it. Let's kill the truth. Let's kill the truth so nobody knows. Our Jesus story started 6,000 years before Jesus was born. Name's Ninzagita. Teacher of man. You act like you know something from God. Let me tell you something. No, dude. All you're doing is going around misinforming people, and harm is what you're doing. You're doing harm, Lee. If you're here, Lee, going like that, the moon's going to look different than if the axis shifted, Lee. And it does. It looks very different. I used to drive the USS Texas around the fucking world while you were fucking sitting around sucking cock on Sunday. You know what God showed me, Lee? The globe. I've been around it. He also showed me that there would be people that don't know anything, that believe they know stuff, that would think I'm crazy because I've seen the world with my own two eyes. And there are things unbelievable about this globe that we live on. It's fucking amazingly beautiful, number one. Number two, it's got a lot of fucking human magnets running around on it. If you knew anything about magnets, they stack strength. Your boy Jesus said we should stack our strength and inherit the earth. Earth has a magnet. You got a magnet. Get on the goddamn magnet. Stop insulting people. Stop fucking lying to people. Why don't you shut your mouth, put your fucking ego in your pocket, and look, Lee, instead of just running your mouth. If the Earth's axis shifted, the moon is not doing what it has been doing for centuries because the moon angle is very much attached to our spin, you fucktard. That's why I've been downloading to BitChute. BitChute won't fuck with me. They let me put up any goddamn anything I want. I ain't even saying what I want. It's there. Every bit of it. All the old stuff is over here too. Most watched? Those would be the recent ones that YouTube won't allow me to put on here at all. Everybody seems all upset they can't find my videos. I've told you where they are. Okay? I got the $100 challenge. I got the senator stuff. I got all up and down fucking the important shit going on over here. Put it over here a long time ago, including Lee. The CDC information you need to read yourself. All that stuff is over here on BitChute. Almost as many subs over here as I do on this channel, on my alt channel that Lee is threatening to get taken down. This carries information no YouTube channel has. None. So if you want to learn, get the fuck over to BitChute and stop fucking around. I don't like YouTube. I don't like this forum. This forum limits everything you say. And somehow, this man over here is allowed to call me fucking slanderous names, be a dirty fucking liar, sit here and fucking threaten my channel. He's gotten me struck before. You see this? 11 entries calling me names today because I'm right. Because I'm fucking right. This man is fucking threatening to kill my channel. Why? This is the same reason he was trying to kill my other channel. I'm right. He didn't get anything from God. He sells it as God. The man is making money off of his YouTube, obviously, and he's clinging to it. He's clinging to it and throwing stones at me. I don't deserve any of this at all. I'm just spouting out real, obvious shit. If the Earth's axis shifted, and I've been watching, I was trained. See, he got something from God. I was trained by the U.S. Navy how not to lose the goddamn Navy ship I was driving around using the fucking moon. Lee, you know nothing about the goddamn moon or space or any goddamn thing. Obviously, dude. Every fucking word you say is wrong. And then you come and start threatening me. The fuck is wrong with you, dude? You're sick, man. You've got 11 fucking. I don't even call you names, man. You do nothing but disrespect and hate and vile and spit lies to people to fucking make you look good. You don't even look good, dude. You're starting to look really fucking pathetic. But you've literally got people fucking walking around fucking listening to your lies, dude. You're an evil fuck misleading people. Where the fuck do you get off, dude? Put it into perspective, folks. 2 out of 3 strikes came from this guy because you did nothing. I'm out here alone showing you information that you don't have anywhere else, and you're allowing a bully to bully me. Thanks, peeps. Thanks. This is real nice. I appreciate your support.